We talk a lot about coding and working as a developer, but do you know what development really is? In this video, we will talk about the developer's routine and what coding is in practice. For those who are entering the development area and coming from a completely different field, it's normal to be confused because you still don't know the routine of this profession. You may feel that some aspects are still unclear and you still don't know if this is really for you, or you will identify yourself with this job. After all, what development looks like in practice? We hear so much about algorithms, logic, and even that to be a developer, you have to be very good in math. But the truth is that development is much more than simply writing codes. Yes, what you are going to do most as a developer is to write codes generating programs that deliver a solution. But until you get to that moment of writing the code, you have to participate in other stages of the process before coding anything that you think will solve it. To solve a problem, we need to understand this problem and then to understand where we want to go. When it comes to development, things are no different. Before coding, you need to know in which way you should go with that code. For this, you must have many conversations with people involved with the problem who needs a certain application or a resource. And here you will already start practicing the problem-solving skill. You have to know which is the pain to be solved, so that you, the developer, who knows about the infrastructure of the application and the available resource, have this background to choose the best solution for this problem, considering all these linked variables to the process. And here we understand that an important soft skill, in addition to many others, is knowing how to communicate well. This doesn't mean that you need to say something all the time, every time you meet with your work group, but realizing that it's important to express yourself in a comprehensible and objective way, and to listen actively in order to understand and to be understood in the most effective way. Another important soft skill, not only at this moment, but especially here, is creativity, which means proposing solutions that not only fit the requirements, but actually solve the problem with quality. For this, you need to have a broader vision of the entire process and not just pay attention to the act of coding, because this will determine which direction must be followed to develop good codes and programs. In this stage, it will be established which features and complements should be developed, producing more or less work. Having defined what will be delivered and the process involved, then yes, the phase of writing the code starts. Do you realize that to reach the stage of writing the code, you have to go through many other stages of the process, like understanding and also planning the development of a program? It's important as well to be updated about the latest resources to achieve even better results in your work as a developer. See you next video. Bye.